Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to debug unit tests running with PhpStorm and PHPUnit. I have one of my projects checked out from Git. I have Xdebug installed, as you can see by running php-v. In PHP I have configured the right modes. And that is all the settings that I have made. Let me now start PhpStorm. I have not set up a project yet for this code base. The first time it takes a little while to index. Let me open a test file. Set a breakpoint on the first line in the test I want to debug. In the menu, go for Run. Start listening for PHP debug connections. And because this is the first time, I will also do run break at first line in PHP scripts. I can now click on the icon here to run and debug the tests. It says there is currently no default interpreter in this project. Please fix to edit your product configuration. So let me do that. And I select PHP 8.0 here. And now I click debug. And indeed, the debugger stops in the first line of PHPUnit. I can now select Resume Program. And it stops at the first line in my test, which I can now debug. Because it now works the first time, I will disable break at first line in PHP script, because we no longer need it. Now I can select whatever test I want and debug it straight away. By setting a breakpoint and clicking the Run Test icon. And then select the debug option. And now I can debug this again. And there we have it, debugging unit tests straight from PhpStorm. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe.